OnePlus 6, the company's upcoming flagship handset, has an impending launch, and we might see the latest and greatest from OnePlus in the next few weeks. While certain features have been revealed by the company management, a lot of it is yet to be seen. The latest leak gives us a clearer look at the front panel of the smartphone, which has been confirmed to sport a notch. The smartphone is said to arrive with an Avengers: Infinity War edition in UK. Separately, OnePlus has changed its domain from the previous oneplus.net to oneplus.com. A new image of the OnePlus 6, leaked on Weibo and spotted by GSM Arena, shows that the DxOMark review of the OnePlus 6 is underway. While there are not many details, it shows a notch, as before, along with a substantially sized bottom chin. Additionally, a report by Deadline suggests the OnePlus 6 will get an Avengers: Infinity War edition, as previously teased, with a Snapdragon 845 SoC, 8GB RAM, and 256GB inbuilt storage. This is said to be part of the movie's marketing campaign, which is said to be the largest ever for any Hollywood movie in history, a total of $150 million, roughly Rs 974 crores. OnePlus announced on Monday that it would be shifting its official domain name from the previous oneplus.net to the new oneplus.com. The company also stated that the address for its store in India has been changed from oneplusstore.in to oneplus.in. It's a personal milestone for us, something we've wanted for some time but couldn't achieve when we were just a budding player. On a pragmatic level, we believe this domain change is necessary as we continue to grow. We hope migrating to .com for all regions will help protect our fans from sites who pose as the regional variation of OnePlus, said Minjiu, staff member, OnePlus.